Hello people, what's up? I hope your studies are going good. I hope you guys have been on track with your exams. Do not wait for elections and all of that. First, concentrate. So that should give you a little lighter picture. The next one, focus more on question papers. Solve as many question papers as possible because that is more important from your exam point of view. Now coming to the main aspect, people, that is amendments. Technically, if you look at the amendment sheet, it says around 97 pages of amendments. Ayyo, sir, lutuputtu gaya dil. So people, sir, heart there only stopped, sir. Another 100 pages should be studied, sir. Technically, people, if you look at the amendment sheet, it says people the amendments are covering from August 21st to November 23. So it's nothing but people, if you guys have recently attended any classes and all, that means it would be definitely recent one only. So nothing to worry. But still what I would tell you, if possible people, watch my June 2023 capital market SLCM security laws paper amendment video. Watch December 23 amendment video, and also watch June 24 new syllabus amendment video. All these three are uploaded already on YouTube. If you cover these things, people, that covers almost everything. Not almost, everything is covered there only. There are no much amendments, people. The maximum amendments that is there in December, in your June attempt point of view, is only in LODR. That's the maximum. Rest and all is already covered, people. If you guys have watched December 23 amendments, buyback was a major provision there. So all that has been again given, people. There is nothing again which is there as an amendment. The only thing is there in LODR. A few some more content has been added. But yes, nonetheless, that has also been covered under June 24 new syllabus. So I would advise you guys to watch that as well. Is clear? So if you guys watch all of these people, that means it covers everything. So that's the reason I just wanted to make it clear. That's the reason I wanted to make it as a small video, and so that you guys will know what to see where and things like that. So that's it, people. Thank you so much. Wish you guys all the best for your exams, and do prepare properly. Do minimum 2-3 revisions. You guys have really good ample amount of time. The third thing, make sure you guys write enough tests. Writing tests and solving as many questions as possible is a really big key to the success. So keep all this in mind and plan your studies accordingly. God bless you, and wish you guys all the best. Thank you, people. See you. Bye bye.